Actually, this presentation has been prepared by Professor RST. I am using the same presentation in this session. Objective is at the. Am I audible, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Actually, this presentation has been prepared by Professor RST. I am using the same for this session. Objective is at the end of this lecture, participants will be able to explain the manufacturing process of LHP cell and enlist material and furnishing details of the LHP cell. All of you are working in the field and you have been working sorry, there was a power interruption and I have to restart the computer again. Sorry for interruption. Uh, this presentation, I told you, was prepared by Professor RST and I'm using the same presentation. Through this session, we want to explain the manufacturing process of LHB cell and enlist the material and furnishing details of LHB cell. All of you have worked in the field and LHB coaches are there in the railway since considerable period. So everybody is aware something about LHB coaches. So which of the following material is used in LHB coaches? Austenitic steel, ferritic steel, cotton steel, all of the above. Which one is correct?
C.
C. No. Somebody else?
Sir, A.
Huh?
All of
A
the
होगा
above.
सर.
Sir, A.
A होगा
This
सर.
is also not correct. Somebody else?
All of the above.
Yes, this is correct. Because in the LHB coaches, we are using all these materials in different components, which will be explained in this presentation. Which of the following fact is not true about LHB coaches? The coaches are about 2 meters longer than ICF coach. Is it true or false?
True.
True. True. Okay. Coaches got commissioned in 2003. Is it true or false?
No.
D, sir, D.
D. Sound insulation spray is provided in the interior of the car body. Is it not correct? Everything is correct here. PU paint is used and that acts as sound insulation also. So for LHB coaches, this is the brief history. Initially, a contract was given to Alstom in 1995 and the scope of supplies was 24 coaches. Out of that, 19 were AC coach chair cars, 2 AC executive chair cars, and 3 generator cum brake vans. And bogies for these coaches were made by Messrs. Fiat, and all other variants have been developed later by Indian Railways. Features of LHB coach: extensive use of stainless steel, whether it is LHB coach or hybrid coach, दोनों में ही stainless steel का use होता है, and we will be explaining later which parts are used are made out of which material. Attention is given for surface protection. Coach length is longer. This is approximately 2 meters longer than ICF coaches. Coach ends are taper by 70 mm. This is lightweight coach. This is 10% lesser weight per meter than ICF coaches. Every meter में का जो total weight होगा, that is less than approximately 10%. This has got better payload to tear ratio. LHB coaches have got higher passenger comfort by providing ride index not exceeding 2.75. Strength is as per UIC 566, and this is capable of higher speeds 160 kmph, and with modifications it can run up to 200 kilometers per hour. For ICF coaches, it was only up to 130 kmph. Ride index, which is a measure of the degree of comfort which passenger experiences in while riding the coach, that is called ride index. Higher the ride index, passenger comfort is less, and lower the ride index, passenger comfort is greater. For calculating this ride index, this formula is used, where V is the numerical value of the ride index. Using this formula, ride index can be calculated. V is mean acceleration in centimeter per second square. F is frequency in hertz, and FF is correction factor. By this factor, we are able to calculate ride index. In LHB cell, this is designed to withstand different loads at different sections. In the cantrail area, this can withstand 30 tons of compressive load. And at window level, this can withstand up to 30 tons of compressive load, and 350 height, this can withstand 40 tons of compressive load. At the couplers, compressive load that can be transmitted is up to 200 tons, and in tensile up to 150 tons, and 50 tons diagonally in this area. Cell design is superior in the sense that complete cell is interlocked. This has got better acoustic and vibration measures by providing superior insulation materials and damping elements. Then superior brake systems. This is axle mounted disc brake system with WSP. This LHB coach is provided with center buffer coupler, and which has got anti-climbing features. Why it uses wider windows for better view. Then modular interiors, improve air conditioning system, use of fire retardant materials. Sound and vibration measures. For sound insulation, sound insulating paint is provided. Then cork sandwich floating floor with rubber decoupling elements. जो फ्लोरिंग होता है उसमें कंपेक्ट के बीच में कॉर्क का सैंडविच प्रोवाइड किया जाता है. Then melamine foam insulation around AC ducting, non-metallic interiors of FRP, then sealed auto sealing, auto closing vestibule doors in the chair cars, dampers and silent blocks in bogies. Mr. Praveen Kumar, do you have any query? LHP cell has extensive use of stainless steel. The cell is prepared by manufacturing the side walls, end walls, under frames. They are manufactured separately and then they are assembled. This is the exterior portion and this is the interior portion. Why we are using stainless steel in coaches? This is because in India, the environment is such that with the use of cotton steel, which we were using in ICF coaches, there was a lot of corrosion due to climatic conditions. Based on the corrosion, this is the corrosion map of India. From which we can see that in coastal areas, corrosion is extremely severe. In adjacent areas, this is severe, and in internal parts of the country, which is shown in this color, we have moderate corrosion in interior parts in this area and this area, where weather is drier, here corrosion is mild, and in the areas of Jammu and Kashmir and some parts of in this belt, Rajasthan, parts of Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir, corrosion is negligible. So with use of stainless steel, coach becomes suitable even for environments like coastal areas, in which we were having extremely severe conditions with respect to corrosion. This is a section of LHB cell, in which we have shown different parts which are made by different materials, like side wall, end wall, and roof. They are made out of ferritic steel. Roof seat and trough floor, they are made out of austenitic steel, and under frame is made by cotton steel. Roof coach cell is made out of in the roof we have got roof arches, which has got fixed radius throughout, and these roof arches are made out of 2 mm thick ferritic steel. Then roof flange, this is made out of 4 mm thick ferritic steel. Then horizontal member, this one and this one, below, above and below the window level, this is made of out of 2.5 mm sections. This is also of ferritic steel only. Then body pillars, this is 2.5 mm. These body pillars are made out of ferritic steel. Then trough floor is 1.25 mm. And cross bearers, these are of cotton steel made out of 4 mm thick sections. Roof seat 1.25 mm. This is austenitic steel. And cantrail is 2 mm thick. This is made out of ferritic steel. Then sidewall sheet 2 mm thick. This is also ferritic steel. Sole bar 6 mm. This is cotton steel. In ICF coaches, this was the section in the turn under area. तो इसमें क्या होता था कि in this area moisture and dirt got accumulated, जिसके कारण corrosion होता था. उसको रिड्यूस करने के लिए इसमें टर्न अंडर में होल्स प्रोवाइड किए जाते थे. लेकिन ICF LHB कोचेज में इस डिजाइन को चेंज कर दिया गया है सो दैट देयर इज नो accumulation of dirt and moisture in this area. Turn under is eliminated in LHB coaches. Clear approach, this makes clear approach for painting. इसमें टर्न अंडर के कारण इंटीरियर में पेंटिंग करना मुश्किल है. Pillar rests on the soul bar as compared to the load transport through a vertical welded joint in conventional coaches. Conventional coaches में वेल्डिंग जो होती थी इस तरह से वर्टिकल होता था, whereas in case of LHB coaches, pillars are resting directly on the sole bar. This table gives use of different materials, which type of material is used and of which thickness. So in the side walls, the sidewall sheets, they are ferritic steel, 2 mm thick, and the quantity used per coach is 979 kg. Vertical pillars, this is also ferritic steel, thickness 2 mm. Per coach, quantity required is 425 kg. Horizontal members, all these members you can locate in this diagram. Horizontal members in the side wall, they are 2 mm thick ferritic steel. Total quantity of that material used is 425 kg per coach. Roof flange 4 mm thick. This is also ferritic steel. 270 kg of this item is used in every coach. Now in the roof sheet is austenitic steel, thickness 1.25 mm, quantity 650 kg, 654 kg. Tar lines are ferritic steel, thickness 2 mm, quantity required 160 kg. End parts also ferritic steel, thickness 2 mm, quantity required 380 kg. Roof arc, this is also ferritic steel, thickness 2 mm, quantity required 56 kg per coach. Now in the end wall sheets, this is also ferritic steel, thickness 2 mm and 3 mm. For different coaches, type of coaches, different thickness is used, and total requirement is 98 kg per coach. End wall frames 2.5, 3, 4, 6 and 10 mm. Different types are used, and total weight is 260 kg per coach. In under frame, trough floor is austenitic steel, thickness is 1.25 mm, and quantity required is 680 kg per coach. Sole bar is cotton steel, thickness 6 mm, quantity required 645 kg per coach. Cross bearers, thickness 4 mm, quantity required 645 kg. Body bolster, thickness 6 mm, quantity required 750 kg per coach. headstock 4, 6 or 8 mm. Quantity required 1280 kg per coach. Coupler carrier and center sail. This is 10 mm thick. Quantity required 200 kg per coach. All these items are of cotton steel. Then there are certain vendor supplied items which are used in the LHB coaches, like water tanks. This is stainless steel 316 titanium alloy. It is having titanium. Thickness 3 mm. Quantity required 300 kg per coach. Roof ventilators. This is austenitic steel. Thickness 1.25 mm. Quantity 49 kg per coach. So this is the table which gives all the components of the LHB cell. And what is the thickness, what is the material used, how much quantity is required per coach. From this table, we can find out that percentage of different items used in LHB coaches: cotton steel 46%, ferritic steel 43%, and austenitic steel 11%. And this is the total weight of all these three items. Properties of steels used in LHB coaches. साइड वॉल्स, एंड वॉल्स, रूफ स्ट्रक्चर, इसमें फेराइटिक स्टील यूज होता है जिसकी अल्टीमेट स्ट्रेंथ इज 450 to 600 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर mm स्क्वायर एंड यील्ड स्ट्रेस इज 320 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर. फेराइटिक स्टील का जो कंपोजिशन, फेराइटिक स्टील इट हैज गॉट कार्बन लेस देन 0.03% and chromium is from 10 to 12%, silicon 1%, manganese 1.5%. ऑस्टेनाइटिक स्टील जो यूज होता है इसके कंपोजिशन में कार्बन इज लेस देन 0.7%, क्रोमियम इज 18%, निकल 10%, सिलिकॉन 1% and manganese 2%. This austenitic steel is used in roof sheet and rough floor, जिसकी ultimate tensile strength is 700 to 850 Newton per mm square and yield stress is 235 mm per Newton per mm square. अंडर फ्रेम में कॉटन स्टील यूज होती है जिसमें की कंपोजिशन कार्बन इज लेस देन 0.01%, chromium is 0.35 to 0.6%, nickel is 0.2 to 0.4%, copper 0.3 to 0.6%, silicon 0.3 to 0.7% and manganese 0.25%. इसकी ultimate strength is 444 to 480 Newton per mm square and yield strength is 320 Newton per mm square. ये जो डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स सेल में यूज करते हैं इसका वजह ये है कि कोच हैज टू ऑपरेट इन वेरियस क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस, तो जिसमें टेम्परेचर वेरिएशन से उसमें इफेक्ट पड़ता है. तो कोच में ऐसे मटेरियल यूज होना चाहिए. यदि टेम्परेचर एलिवेट होने के कारण क्या होता है कि कोच के कंपोनेंट्स में डिस्टॉर्शन हो सकता है, इसलिए उस डिस्टॉर्शन को कम से कम रखा जाए इसके लिए सुटेबल मटेरियल यूज किया जाता है. ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल जिसमें इसमें जो है डिस्टॉर्शन जो होता है फॉर द मटेरियल्स हैविंग हायर थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी उसमें डिस्टॉर्शन कम होता है, और जिसमें थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी ज्यादा होता है, सॉरी, जहां पर थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी कम है वहां पर डिस्टॉर्शन ज्यादा होता है, थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी जहां पर ज्यादा है वहां डिस्टॉर्शन कम होती है। लेकिन डिस्पाइट ऑफ यूजिंग दिस मटेरियल्स देयर विल बी सम डिस्टॉर्शन। उसको डिस्टॉर्शन को अरेस्ट करने के लिए स्ट्रक्चर में कुछ डिस्टॉर्शन को अरेस्ट करने के लिए पार्ट्स लगाए जाते हैं, लेकिन डिस्टॉर्शन को अरेस्ट करने से सेल में जो है इंटरनल स्ट्रेसेस बढ़ते हैं। कोचेस में जो मटेरियल यूज होता है कार्बन स्टील एंड स्टेनलेस स्टील। कार्बन स्टील्स में क्रोमियम इज लेस देन 11% एंड स्टेनलेस स्टील में क्रोमियम इज मोर देन 11% जनरली। और कार्बन स्टील्स में जो होता है रस्ट का फॉर्मेशन टॉप सरफेस में हो जाता है which peels off during course of time, and once that rust peels off fresh new surface of rust is formed। इस तरह से वो gradually parts gets lessened in cross section due to peeling of the oxidized surface, that is which is rust। लेकिन जब क्रोमियम ऐड करते हैं, क्रोमियम ऐड करने से मटेरियल में कोरोजन रेजिस्टेंस होता है। उसका वजह ये होता है क्रोमियम फॉर्म्स अ पैसिव फिल्म ऑफ क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड जो कि विच स्टिक्स ऑन द सरफेस। एंड चूंकि ये जो क्रोमियम ऑक्साइड का फिल्म फॉर्मेशन होता है ऑन द सरफेस विच प्रिवेंट्स फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशन, इससे कोरोजन प्रिवेंट होता है। क्रोमियम यूज करने के कारण ऊपर में एक पैसिव फिल्म बन जाता है एंड दिस फिल्म इज स्टिकिंग ऑन द सरफेस, जिसके कारण इंटरनल जो एरिया होता है विच इज सेव्ड फ्रॉम फर्दर कोरोजन। सपोज दिस पैसिव फिल्म इज ब्रोकन, तो ये फिल्म के ब्रेकेज के बाद क्या होता है, जो ब्रेकेज सरफेस होता है उसके अलोंग फिर फर्दर ये एंटी कोरोसिव फिल्म का फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है, जिससे कि इंटरनल मटेरियल का कोरोजन इज नॉट देयर। This graph gives the effect of percentage of chromium on corrosion rate। जैसे जैसे यहाँ पर देखें कि क्रोमियम की परसेंटेज कम है तो वहां पे कोरोजन इज हाई, व्हेन chromium percentage increases corrosion reduces। If we use mild steel, then the life of that item is only 5 to 6 years because of high corrosion. Whereas if cotton steel is used, life becomes 20 to 25 years with major corrosion repairs every 10 to 12 years. But if we use stainless steel, then life becomes more than 40 years with negligible maintenance। Stainless steel absorbs 2.5 times more energy than carbon steels, so this is less fatal in accidents। क्योंकि एक्सीडेंट के केस में जब हाई इम्पैक्ट होता है तो उस केस में जो impact energy gets transmitted to the interior of the coach. लेकिन यदि स्टेनलेस स्टील को यूज करते हैं तो इट एब्जॉर्ब्स मोर इम्पैक्ट एनर्जी, जिसके कारण इंटीरियर में लेसर इम्पैक्ट होता है एंड एक्सीडेंट्स आर लेस फैटल. हाई स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ at high temperature, minimum structural deformation retains half of the temperature strength at 500 degrees centigrade. Even at elevated temperatures, strength of the stainless steel remains high. Even 500 degrees temperature आने पे half of the strength is retained. Construction of LHB cell: side walls, end walls, roof and under frame. They are manufactured separately and then they are assembled together. While assembly, proper end edge preparation has to be made while joining the side walls with under frame and end walls with under frame. Side walls, under frame, roof structure, end walls, they are all made separately and then they are assembled together. Side wall features: the side walls are manufactured by TIG welding of the sheets to achieve low heat inputs, less distortion and negligible shrinkage. TIG welding यूज करने से हीट अफेक्टेड जोन कम होता है, उसके कारण जो डिस्टॉर्शन is less. And then door frames are part of the sub assembly of side wall but are fabricated separately to take up tolerances. Although जब कोच के फिटेड कंडीशंस में होते हैं तो डोर्स becomes integral part of the side wall, लेकिन but these are manufactured separately and उनकी fitting separate होती है so that there are some tolerances. Side wall is welded to the under frame by V grooving of the sole wall. Weldable primer is applied to avoid bimetallic corrosion. क्योंकि साइड वॉल इज स्टेनलेस स्टील whereas under frame is cotton steel, तो कंपोजिशन डिफरेंट है. सो टू अवॉइड बाइमेटेलिक कोरोजन वहां पर एल्यूमिनियम वेल्डेबल प्राइमर इज यूज्ड. For manufacture of the side walls, laser and spot welding is used, which requires low heat input and it gives less distortion. Interlocking between the horizontal and vertical stiffening members. Vertical and horizontal members, they are interlocked. For better geometrical integrity, resistance to distortion, aligned stress flow and better strength. Interlocking की purpose है better geometrical integration, resistance to distortion, aligned stress flow and better strength. All these 4 reasons के कारण interlocking की जाती है. Then reduced sidewall thickness. Sidewall thickness means not only this stainless steel sheet, इसमें पिलर्स लगे होते हैं और अंदर में FRP का जो इंटीरियर पैनल होता है, तो टोटल जो थिकनेस जो होती है इन केस ऑफ LHB सेल दिस इज लेस देन द ICF सेल. ICF सेल की थिकनेस का जो साइड वॉल का थिकनेस होता है it is 90 mm, whereas in case of LHB cell this is only 60 mm. इसके इस रिडक्शन के कारण इंटीरियर width of the coach increases, which gives more space for passengers. End wall and roof features. End walls में this has to be made lightweight. Lightweight करने के लिए इस कंस्ट्रक्शन में जो स्टिफनर्स होते हैं they are provided with holes. Then this end wall overhangs beyond the headstock. And gap between two end walls is 300 mm only. दो कोचेस जो होते हैं उसके बीच में एंड वॉल्स के बीच में गैप इज 300 mm. Roof is lightweight. It uses corrugated roof sheet. Single radius roof arc. Roof arc का radius is single radius. ये नहीं कि different sections में different radius नहीं है. Complete arc is having same radius. Then pocket free. There are no pockets in that roof. Underframe front part is made by joining together the headstock and the body bolster. This is headstock and this is body bolster. दोनों को join करके complete जो front part बनता है उसी तरह से rear part is made in the same fashion. Features of underframe. These are lightweight, provision for CBC as well as side buffers. Even screw coupling can be fitted within this cell. Two main crossbar members are 6 mm thick. This underframe, this design is older design, but now this is a diagonal construction, but now this construction has been changed to take care of crash worthiness of the coaches. उसके लिए क्या किया गया है कि जो आपको बीच में जो पोर्शन होता है जहां पर कि कपलर लगाते हैं उसके लिए सेंटर सील बोलते हैं, और क्रैश वर्दीनेस फीचर्स के लिए ये जो डायगोनल कंस्ट्रक्शन जो एंड में था इसको रिमूव कर दिया गया है और सेंटर सील के पैरेलल बोथ साइड्स में पैरेलल सील्स लगाए गए हैं। और इसके अलावा ये सीबीसी जो हेडस्टॉक इस एरिया में जहां पर सीबीसी लगता है उसके पीछे में शियर बैंक अरेंजमेंट होता है और उसके पीछे आपको वो पाइप कंस्ट्रक्शन लगाया जाता है जिससे कि दिस एरिया इस फ्रंट पोर्शन इज वीकेंड, और फ्रंट पोर्शन में जो सेंटर सील्स हैं, पैरेलल सील्स हैं, हेडस्टॉक हैं, there are elongated holes have been made so that this area becomes weak, and when there is collision, in that case impact energy these weakened portions at the front and On the rear side also same construction is there. That portion gets damaged due to impact. और उसके डैमेज होने के कारण जो है रेसिडुअल जो इम्पैक्ट एनर्जी जो कि ट्रांसफर होती है पैसेंजर कोचेस में, दैट इज मिनिमाइज टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट ड्यू टू दैट डिजाइन विच इज कॉल्ड क्रैश वर्दी डिजाइन, जिसके कारण कि इंटीरियर ऑफ द पैसेंजर ऑफ द कोचेज इन विच इज कैरिंग पैसेंजर्स that is saved from the impact of collision. Features of thunder frame. This is lightweight provision of CBC as well as side buffers. Even screw coupling, two main cross members are 6 mm thick. And then underslung components like water tanks and yaw dampers. These are fitted in the underframe. Water tank brackets are fitted in the underframe in this location, and yaw dampers are fitted in this location. Rough floor is welded with the cross members by plug welding. ये सब देखें, ये plug welding के कारण ये निशान हुआ है. Under frame corrugated austenitic trough floor is plug welded from top with cross members. Weldable primer is used for welding cotton steel to stainless steel to prevent bimetallic corrosion. We will take 5 minutes break. 5 मिनट का ब्रेक ले लें, उसके बाद फिर से स्टार्ट करें.
अच्छा देवेंद्र जी,
Okay, sir.
ये सब हेलो,
बोले सर.
अच्छा ये सब रिकॉर्ड माने इसमें बाद में मिल जाता है ना ये वाला,
क्या?
आप लोग बता रहा है,
हाँ.
टीचिंग कर रहा है ना, ये सब माने रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है इसमें, वो सब देखने के बाद में देख सकते हैं ना.
हाँ, एंड इसका जो प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, दिस विल बी
हाँ
अपलोडेड ऑन द कोर्स पेज ऑफ यूनी ORG. वहां से उसको
अच्छा,
देख सकते हैं.
नहीं हम लोग जो पढ़ रहा देख रहा था वो ऊपर में रिकॉर्ड हो रहा 53 मिनट
हाँ,
53
रिकॉर्ड
मिनट.
होता है.
हाँ
हाँ.
रिकॉर्ड होता है ना,
हाँ,
तो हम लोग देख पाएगा उसको बाद
रिकॉर्ड
में,
होने पे देख पाएंगे.
बाद में
हाँ.
स्टोर, हाँ देख पाएंगे ना.
हाँ. हाँ.
ठीक.
Okay, can we start again?
Sir,
Okay. So sale portion we have completed. Now we will go for furnishing. Furnishing items are provided for giving aesthetics to and comfort to the passengers. Coach interiors have been designed ergonomically. Large windows with good visibility has been provided. Aluminum luggage racks with inbuilt reading lamps have been provided in chair cars. Insulation against noise has been provided. Use of fire retardant FRP for paneling. Panels में जो use होता है FRP, which is fire retardant. Hand safe feature in all automatic sliding doors. क्योंकि sliding doors are operating by leaf springs, तो उनके इनमें हैंड से प्रोविजन किया गया है by providing rubber sealing on the edges. Then anti-skid PVC flooring in vestibules and auto closing vestibule doors. Vestibule doors are auto closing and anti-skid PVC flooring has been provided. Anti-skid provision provide करने के लिए जो PVC में होता है, this is impregnated with mica. Thermal and sound insulation. Veriskin V60 dB or equivalent sound insulation tube paints on full coach shell interior provide anti-drumming sound insulation as well as corrosion resistance. जो tube paint किया जाता है on the coach interior, this provides sound insulation as well as corrosion resistance. दोनों पर्पस पूरा करता है. Coating of 2 to 3 mm thickness in the coach interior. इंटीरियर में कंप्लीट इंटीरियर में 2 to 3 mm थिकनेस प्रोवाइड की जाती है and in the bolster area this is 6 to 8 mm thick. Thermal and sound insulation by Rizona Flex special type insulation on floor and side wall up to the wall sill height for thermal insulation. Floorboards are supported on rubber pads, and floorboards are made out of compressed plywood and cork sandwich for better sound insulation. तो साउंड इंसुलेशन के लिए अंडर फ्रेम में फ्लोर बोर्ड्स में कॉर्क सैंडविच प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, एंड देन इन द साइड वॉल्स जो है ट्यूब पेंट दिया जाता है, एंड हीट इंसुलेशन के लिए रेसोना फ्लेक्स स्पेशल टाइप इंसुलेशन ऑन द फ्लोर एंड साइड वॉल अप टू विंडो सिल. Air conditioning ducting, this is superior two-tier design, superior thermal insulation, better sound dampening, and no direct blast of cool air. ये सब व्यवस्था किया गया है. LHB coaches have got various types of doors like entrance doors, saloon doors, end wall doors, pantry doors, lavatory doors, switchboard doors. और इन doors के डिजाइन में these are जो body side doors, these are hinge type swing sandwich doors. Sandwich door means one side जो होता है that is stainless steel, that is ferritic stainless steel की होती है, and interior panel is made by FRP, और this is filled with phenolic resin for better heat insulation. Inside panel of door is made out of FRP. This is provided with sealed window glass unit. Sealed window glass unit provide की जाती है, which is 6 mm thick glass. Then compartment doors. Compartment doors are the doors for entry of passengers in the compartment. This is single flap sliding door. Stainless steel body filled with phenolic resin for better heat insulation. जो इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है, this is made out of stainless steel, and interior panel is FRP, and in between this is filled with phenolic resin. Manual opening and auto closing type door. Opening is manual and closing is automatic. This is provided with rubber sealing at the door leaf for hand safe feature. Provided with air grill for air circulation. Bottom में air grill provide किया जाता है. This is fitted with 6 mm glass for viewing. This is 6 mm thick glass. Then vestibule door or end wall door. These are double flap doors. Compartment doors was single flap, whereas the vestibule door is double flap door. This is also sliding type door. This is opened manually and closed automatically. Manual opening and auto closing type door. Fire barrier all around. This is provided with rubber sealing at the door leaf for hand safe operation. Stainless steel body filled with phenolic resin for better heat insulation and security of the coaches. This is also fitted with 6 mm glass for viewing. This door opens only 250 mm when gangway bridge plate is folded up. जो वेस्टिबुल फॉल प्लेट होता है, when when that is in folded condition, this door can be opened only up to 250 mm. Underslung components में water tanks are fitted by underslung arrangement. And 30-liter water tank, overhead tank is provided in the laboratory. The furnishing items in the coaches are the floor, seats, upholstery cloth, luggage rack, doors for LHB coaches, sealed window glass unit, roller blinds. Flooring is PVC flooring. Seats, then upholstery cloth, luggage rack. This is provided in the chair cars. Doors for LHB coaches, sealed window glass unit, roller blinds. This is also in chair coaches only. Sealed window glass units. The sealed window glass unit consists of 8.4 mm outer laminated and 4 mm tempered glass with 6 mm krypton argon gas filling. आउटर ग्लास की थिकनेस 8.4 mm होती है और इनर ग्लास विच इज टेम्पर्ड दैट इज 4 mm थिक एंड दोनों ग्लास के बीच में देयर इज गैप ऑफ 6 mm which is filled with krypton or argon gas. Window glass is secured to extrusions by rubber profiles. ये ग्लास यूनिट को लगाने के लिए जो सेल मेटेलिक सेल में एल्युमिनियम के एक्सट्रूजन फिटेड होते हैं बाई aluminum के extrusions are fitted in which window glass is fitted and then that is sealed by rubber. Roller blinds have been provided on the window in AC chair car instead of curtains. Roller blind is manually operated. These blinds have 3 positions: full open, half open, and full closed. Emergency openable window. This is similar to the fixed type unit. 4 units are provided each coach to allow emergency evacuation of passengers. Emergency windows में there is a handle connected to the rubber profile which opens the glass unit of the emergency window. Coach interiors में a number of FRP items have been used in the interiors. Purpose is these FRP items have got better aesthetics. They have ability to be mounted into intricate shapes and curved joints. FRP को easily mold किया जा सकता है. These have got better strength to weight ratio. Then these are resilience to small dents. Scratch resistance, then easy repairability. These can be repaired easily. No visible screws. Screws are counters hidden in these. Then better maintainability. No problem of corrosion. तो FRP आइटम्स में होता है, उसमें कोरोजन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। Composite materials are used in the coach, like in toilet, Aluco-bond lavatory ceiling panel and aluminum honeycomb partition panels are provided. These are giving improved aesthetics, have got very good surface finish, they are corrosion resistant, they have got better rigidity, they have got higher strength to weight ratio. Various types of coaches have been made in the railways, and they have got different amenity items. Like in Vestodome coaches, this is the observation lounge, which is provided with large window for better view. This is a motorized blind in Tejas coach. Tejas coaches में जो आए हैं उसमें roller blinds they are motorized. इसमें manually करने का जरूरत. This is electrically controlled roof opalescence glass unit in Vistadrome. Top view देखने के लिए window has been provided, which can be controlled electrically. AC 3-tier economic coaches के लिए this type of side works are provided. In Vistadome coaches, 180-degree rotatable seats are there. These can be turned back. This is a modular berth in AC 3-tier economic coach. This is e-leather seats in Tejas coach. So all these coach fittings, they have been provided to give better comfort to passengers, and as well as these are easy to maintain and they have got very good aesthetics. This is the gangway of the Tejas coach. ये दो कोचेज होते हैं तो उसके बीच में this is completely sealed area. Vacuum toilet assisted toilets have been provided in Tejas. Digital destination boards in smart coaches. Now, at the end of the session, which of the following is not a feature of the Tejas ray? Fully air conditioned, motorized blinds, vacuum wire toilets, energy harvester based diagnostic. Okay, sir, this is it for the day. If there is any question, please ask. Sir, if there is any query, please ask. Okay, then we will close the session. Please be present for the next session at 11:30.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.